Well, he talk me. But Jayden chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, just as Lisa Mercedes said, Adi are the king and him a run dancehall. The truth. Now the track has been released, viewers and subscribers, and there is one line in particular we are gaining some international notoriety. People are saying Vybz Kartel are talking about Miller9. Now the line reads, viewers and subscribers, we come from a sperm and a egg, but a bad mind boy is a slime same way. Caught on the camera, the crime tape play. The boy they not smart, them do it in the USA. Grand bag of herb charge up my mad brain. Now, viewers and subscribers, people are saying this is obviously a line about Miller9. Now, for those who are not, first and foremost, we can't confirm it. We can't say that is a line about Miller9. But we can say this. Miller9 situation did, however, occur similar to what the line says. The situation was caught on camera. And because it was caught on camera, when the judge did the situation, he was convicted. Yes, he was convicted of the situation. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher run dancehall. Yes, the teacher run dancehall, and him make that clear. Now, we see viewers and subscribers, Movado make a post. Him said, Lord, I ask for your unfailing guidance as I step out in search of my daily bread today. Now, viewers and subscribers, remember, Mov is not a farmer. Movado is not a security guard. We don't know Movado being an entrepreneur in the settings where we go open shop and do the work. We know him as a recording artist. This sound like him a plan for circle the studio. This sound like him plan for make a response track. And we see Steph London already pointed out, say, oh, she work with Massacre, she work with Movado. You know what I mean? She's with Burna Boy and she know Whiskey them. And she has said them and nobody in the dancehall music. Whiskey them for glad say dancehall actually shed light on the whole Afrobeat settings. And no, there will be no dancehall versus Afrobeat. Dancehall rate and respect Afrobeat. I will know Afrobeat have to pay homage to dancehall and reggae music. If they don't do it, then hey, come on, we all know. Now the prayer further reads, let your mighty hands of protection and strength cover me as I walk through today. Thank you for those you have surrounded me with, the people MJ them energy. You know what I mean? The MVP. They are giving career strength. They have been a blessing to me, true. Because they go call teacher name and gain a notoriety the same way. Thank you because I am safe in your hands. In Lord's name, amen. And the reality, viewers and subscribers, in truth, he might respond with a prayer. Similar as how Vybz Kartel did respond to prayer. They not have no creative. Nothing creative about them, not at all. Him responding to prayer. Coincidentally. Why him posting prayer? Who posts them prayer? Prayer is something you're saying in your own settings, in your own space. There's a reason between you and a higher being. You don't need to post your prayer on IG. Last time a teacher do it and they try to prove a point. What the point that them are trying to prove? So like them plan to respond, viewers and subscribers. The teacher tell you already say now go to war with us present. And why at that moment in time, some people say, oh, Vybz shouldn't be counted among the peasants, being Jamil and Alkaline. But him said the people him surround himself with, said him surrounded by the peasants, don't work to consider him a king. A king is surrounded by dignitaries. We can't consider, say, yo, him is a king surrounded by peasants, and plus a one king to the dancehall music. We are all kings in our own right. Teacher, they already said that. If a black man a king, we just need to search for a crown. Now, in the dancehall music, the teachers claim that dancehall crown. So you can be a king in your own right, or a king. You can be the king of engineering, be the king of production. But as a recording dancehall artist, the teacher is the king of that, and that is undisputed. Adi are the king, and them are run dancehall music. As a matter of fact, the teacher say, yo, 90% of them, you know. And my DNA talk true. In reality, we can say there is the 10% of which Vybz Kartel is a part of. Because remember, you have artists there with that do it before Vybz Kartel boss. And them still perform here and there right now. So you have that 10%. Remember, reggae artists are bring a different kind of energy. Even the young reggae artists, even though they are inspired by Vybz Kartel. Chronic say, him a listen Vybz Kartel from him a youth. And that's Spain youth, so I don't doubt him. We know Protege a listen Vybz Kartel from. Remember, for those who don't know, Protege and Dan Carleon are cousins. Remember, Vybz Kartel and Dan Carleon. Remember, the early stage of Vybz Kartel career. So no doubt Protege listen Vybz Kartel from that point in time. In the day of the studio when teacher record, many of the hit songs were the teacher record for Dan Carleon records. So keep that in mind. And these are the faces of the reggae revival movement. Talk the truth, a Protege and Chronics really bring back that wave there to make reggae music appealing to a younger generation. And if you don't agree with me, tell me why in the comment section. But I'm not telling you. Other than Sizzla Kalonji, of course, Bob them and all of the foundation, all the greats in the reggae music, are Chronics and Protege. I'm start paying more attention to all of these new young reggae artists, even Coffee herself. Toast. And when at the line, what you say? Protege them say Ray and Chronics them say Ray. Me I say, I'm gonna like the flow of the song and me I say, alright, Coffee sound like an artist, you're gonna make it. Them time I didn't even know about the Columbia Records deal, she already signed. I didn't even know she already signed to a major record label. And they're about to do it big. But when she make that reference in the track, me I say, yeah, at the reggae revival movement, that when you say Protege, you say Chronics. You know what I mean? And they say Jesse Royal followed up, and you know what I mean, John Nine, and you name the names. We all listen them, of course. You name the names. Cause Namdi them. You name the names, viewers and subscribers. But really and truly, are them people that make we are pre the reggae music on a certain level. And all of them inspired by Vybz Kartel. But we can consider them among the 10%. Because really and truly, they would use certain lyrical content in a for them type of music just because of the way or the direction of them track. You know what I mean? But that means they're not inspired. That means as a teacher track drop, them not go download it. Them not go purchase it off of iTunes. They are fans. And they have said that openly. But you know the something go. There we can count them among the 10%. In a dancehall music, however, currently 90% of dancehall music, we can say that 90% of Jamaican music is heavily influenced by Vybz Kartel in some way, shape or form. And certain fans might not readily notice because they're just fans of the music, just connoisseurs of the music. They just purchase. They don't necessarily know the production side. Some people might hear the similarities from time to time, but not everybody are readily grasp that. Some people that go over them head, them not gonna really realize, you know, say that line they come from such and such person's song, or the way the beat structure, it's structure for a beat that was made a couple years ago. No, and everybody gonna readily grasp that concept. Very few, you know what I mean, very, very few will notice it. But as the way I say, viewers and subscribers, Adi the king. Dancehall is in good hands. Move. Recently we make some statements that say Gully versus Gaza, and I said the Gully wants them ready. During that time, Chronic Law did have a lyrical competition going on. Well, no, Chronic Law did prove lyrical dominance, and I prove say Jamil, while being an artist, we have melody, is not a lyrical giant in the music, and that's true. I just fact. Now, during that time, we see Mov make some posts, and I say, remember them, and it was a picture with him, you know, in the past, before him lock slang, and him and Chase Cross them out there, and you know what I mean? As a chance time, that's a Tracy Cross, and some other people out there, and they must say, remember them, we can get it ready, and like him basically that insinuate that at any given time, them can start put out new music. I think Tracy they are foreign too. You know what them they are fine, probably in the same state. So them can link up and drop some features and do what them I do. But we'll still say this. Move. You really feel like say dancer want to hear you on the teaching and competition. As a matter of fact, talk to me in the comment section, people. Let me know what you want to see. If you not look to see a teacher and move again. Last time it was very beneficial for Movado. Very. After the lyrical confrontation, them Mov became a star in his own right. If you never know who Movado was before the Gully Gaza, you did know of him after the Gully Gaza. And look funny, there is no Gully. Well, there is in the physical sense, but in a musical camp, them not exist no more. A MVP thing, they know. Gaza stands strong. But I said the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, click the subscribe icon. Put it on all. This is how you'll be notified of all fresh content. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. Drop your thoughts in your comments there. Like icon there, turn it blue in truth. Drop a like on the blog for me like what you hear. Share icon is located in close proximity. You don't have to drive gun away. Just make your fingers do the walking. Now you can share to that friend, family member, anybody you choose to, and them can be anywhere in the world as long as them have one of the applications where you see pop up when you click share. So share the video, viewers and subscribers until the reason again, you know the sentiments. And for those who don't, move settings fam. I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.